Hello, all the respected teachers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Study with Pallavi Yavlekar. Today, we will see the law of the teacher and the rules for teachers because it will help us in many ways. So, the first we will see that is the law of the teacher. The universal reason of law is the central truth of modern science. No force in man or nature but works under the control of law. No effect in mind or matter but is produced in conformity with law. The simplest notion of natural law is that nature remains forever uniform in its forces and operations. Causes compel their effects, and effects obey their causes by irresistible laws. Things are what they are by reason of the law of their being, and to learn the law of any fact is to learn the most fundamental truth that we can know about it. This uniformity of nature is the basis of all science and of all practical art. The next topic we will see that is rules for teachers. The rules which arise out of the law of the teacher. The first one is prepare each lesson by fresh study. Last year's knowledge has necessarily faded somewhat. Only fresh conceptions inspire us to our best efforts. The second one is find in the lesson its analogies to more familiar facts and principles. In these lie the illustrations by which it may be taught to others. The third one is study the lesson until it takes shape in familiar language. The final product of a clear thought is the clear speech. The fourth one is find the natural order of the several steps of the lesson. In every science, there is a natural path from the simplest notions to the broadest view. So, too, in every lesson. The fifth one is find the relation of the lesson to the lives of the learners. Its practical value lies in these relations. The sixth one is use freely all legitimate aids but never rest until the real understanding is clearly before you. The seventh one is bear in mind that complete mastery of a few things is better than an ineffective smartening of many. The eighth one is have a definite time for the study of each lesson in advance of the teaching. All things help the duty done on time. One keeps on learning the lessons studied in advance. They gathers fresh interest and illustrations. The ninth one is have a plan of study but do not hesitate when necessary to study beyond the plan. The best device is to ask the answer these questions about the lesson what, how, and why. And the last one is 10th is do not deny yourself the help of good books on the subject of your lessons, but borrow or beg if necessary, but obtain somehow the help of the best thinkers, enough at least to stimulate your own thought, but do not read without thinking. If possible, talk the lesson over with an intelligent friend because they often brings light. In the absence of these aids, write your views, expressing your thoughts in writing many clear of them. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching.